Hey there, skin enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel, where we turn everyday routines into self-care rituals. If you're looking for a way to pamper your skin without leaving your house or spending a fortune, you're in the perfect spot. If you've ever looked at your kitchen and thought, could this be a spa? You're in the right place. Your pantry is actually packed with skin-loving ingredients just waiting to be transformed into nourishing face masks. Today, I'm about to spill all my favorite homemade face mask recipes that'll leave your skin feeling refreshed and absolutely glowing. These are tried and true, easy to whip up, and perfect for a little me time. Let's kick things off with the classic honey and oatmeal. This mask is a staple for a reason, and it's gentle enough for almost every skin type. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin, while oatmeal gently exfoliates and calms irritation. Together, they create a soothing, hydrating blend that's perfect for dry or sensitive skin. Just mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 2 tablespoons of finely ground oats. If you want a thinner consistency, add a splash of warm water or milk. Apply it to a clean face, leave it on for 15 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Use gentle circular motions as you rinse to get a little extra exfoliation. Your skin will feel like silk. Trust me. It's the perfect pick-me-up after a long day or whenever your skin needs a little TLC. Now, if you're dealing with excess oil or breakouts, I've got you. Try my go-to yogurt and turmeric mask. This one is a game changer for anyone struggling with redness or blemishes. Yogurt helps balance your skin's natural oils, and turmeric. It's a superstar for reducing redness and fighting bacteria. Plus, yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens your complexion. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with a pinch of turmeric powder. Seriously, just a pinch, or you'll turn yellow. If you want an extra boost, add a drop of honey for added moisture. Slather it on, let it sit for 10 minutes, and rinse off. Be sure to use an old towel, just in case the turmeric leaves a little color behind. Your skin will thank you. You'll notice a calmer, more even complexion after just one use. But what about that instant glow-up? Let's make an avocado and banana mask. This one is my secret weapon for days when my skin looks tired or dull. Mash half an avocado with half a banana. Both are loaded with vitamins, healthy fats, and antioxidants that deeply nourish your skin. Add a teaspoon of olive oil if your skin's feeling dry. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and helps lock in moisture, making this mask extra hydrating. This combo is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that revive tired, dull skin. It's like a smoothie for your face. Apply, chill for 15 minutes, and rinse. Take this time to relax, listen to your favorite playlist, or just enjoy a few moments of peace. You'll see that healthy glow right away. Your skin will look plumper, softer, and more radiant. Okay, quick reminder, always do a patch test first. Your skin's unique, and natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Test a small amount on your inner arm and wait 24 hours to be sure. Here's the best part. Homemade masks are super affordable and customizable. You can mix and match ingredients based on what your skin needs that day, and you'll save money compared to store-bought products. Want to boost hydration? Add a few drops of aloe vera gel. Aloe is soothing, cooling, and perfect for calming irritated or sun-kissed skin. Fighting blemishes? A dash of tea tree oil goes a long way. Just be careful. Essential oils are potent, so use sparingly. For an extra touch of luxury, try adding a splash of rose water to your mask. It smells amazing and helps tone and refresh your skin. Play around and see what your skin loves most. The beauty of DIY is that you can tailor each mask to your mood, your skin's needs, and even the season. If you try any of these recipes, let me know how they worked for you in the comments. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your glowing results. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips straight from my kitchen to your bathroom. I've got plenty more natural skincare secrets to share. Until next time, treat your skin with kindness and a little creativity. Remember, glowing skin is just a kitchen adventure away.